Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of my Transformer toys, and one of my toys I got today from my school. So let's start off. This is this guy. I don't know his name, but yeah, and I have his head here somewhere. I'm pretty sure, but I can't find it right now. So yeah, he's green, mostly green, which is my favorite color. White and gray. And of course, the black tires. It's always tire. Tires are always black. And if there's much noise, that's my brother because he's playing games. Of course, he's addicted to games. So yeah. And here is Megatron. I can't find his head for some reason, but I have used his head. I have found his head and used it in my spare time when I was not making videos. So, yep. Here's Megatron, gun hand, the Revenge of the Fallen one. Yeah. And I don't know how to put the feet together, so I just keep it like this. And here's Side Swipe. This part always covers his head, so I have to lift it up, and his head's kind of hiding in there. And then you got that swipe. It's like swipe. I like the part where he slices sideways in the Revenge of the Fallen in half at the beginning part. So yeah, here's the tires and skidding part and head, torso, and arms and legs. So let's move on to the next guy. Here is I don't know who this guy's name is, but yeah. I was expecting his name to be Lowe's because he's a Lowe's car, but no. I don't think his name is Lowe's. So yeah, see, he has Lowe's. It says Lowe's right there. Wait, let me turn it that way. It says Lowe's right there. See if you can see it. No, you can't see it, I bet. Because it's upside down, so. But it does say Lowe's, so, yeah. And he has 48 on him, so I'm expecting him to be from the third movie, because I have seen 48, and I believe he's a NASCAR car. So, yep, let's move on to the next guy. I don't know who this guy's name is either, but I just call him Crazy because his legs and arms don't really cooperate, and his leg just fell off. Oh gosh. Okay, so put this on the slave rack here. But I guess his arms and legs did cooperate now, so now the legs and arms are in the right place, and yada yada yada, same place. Yeah. Let me guess. Yeah. Alright. Good. And now, yeah, his arms are now back to normal and his legs are back to normal. Well, not fully back, like they were. Alright. So here he is. Green, all green. Well, some gray and black because of the tires and the legs. Yeah. And looks like his eye got chopped off. Or something happened to him. I believe this is one of the twins in the Revenge of the Fallen, but they just paint him wrongly. So I remember seeing this guy in orange or red. Yeah, so that's this guy. And here's Ratchet. I believe this is Ratchet. Yeah, this is Ratchet. If this is not Ratchet, comment below who he is. So here's Ratchet. I chopped off his gun. I didn't know how it did that, but there's still a gun hiding in this other arm. As you can see right there, it's hiding. Right there, it's right there. Yeah, if you can, if you don't know, that's gun. Yeah, legs, tires, car, hands, legs, head. Importantly, the head, because then he won't be able to battle anyway. So, yeah, I'm black and mostly white and black. So, and some orange. And let's move on to the final guy, and then the thing I got from my school. And here is Optimus Prime. Yeah, his arms pop out with this little side thing. It pops out with this little side thing. You slide it all the way forward, and then his arm pops out. Let me do that with the other one. Yeah. And I'm doing this in my mom and dad's room, and I'm on the computer desk because it has a seat. So, yeah, Optimus Prime. He has this little mouth guard on him, and his eyes. I don't know how to connect these guys back to like their car modes, but yeah. I have seen somebody do Jazz and put him into his robot farm. And Jazz was already in his car mode when he was in the box. So, but I don't have Jazz. I only have Side Swipe, which is like mostly like Jazz, but not like Jazz. Like almost like, well, almost, but not like. I would say he's like this close to Jazz. Yeah, because his voice and stuff. And he has backs and stuff. He's mostly red and blue because that's his main color. They're both my favorite colors as well. And there's some gray too. Sculptures. Little action figures. So you can be like, wow. Yeah. And now to move on to the last guy, which is the thing I got from my school. And here it is. It's a little halberd. I have a howl that's bigger and his mouth can actually open up. But this one, so I have an extra howl. So like in the games, you have an extra howl and an extra red bird and be like, wee! Wah! I'm assuming this white part is where you pop the eggs out. And he has a beak. He has eyes, eyebrows, all green, except for the white part, and the beak, and the hair, and the tushy. And the bottom, which I bet the egg comes out. And the eyes, and the eyebrows, and the little pupils. And yeah. These are like little plushies. I have another Hal plush and a red plush, a red girl plush, and a Chuck. And I have 4 pigs. I have 2 minion pigs that are plush, and 1 king pig that's a plush, and 1 helmet pig that's a plush. And his helmet is cracked. And here's Hal in his small form, baby form. Look at this. Wow. Little cramped. I would say this is not the right size for me, but yeah, I could still launch him. Like, I knocked down photos. And I'm gonna try to hit the camera. Without it bouncing on the table. Oh, it hit the camera. Oh! Oh, alright, it hit the camera already. So, yeah, that's how. And here's a 360 with my arms. It's not gonna show the bottom. And yeah, so that's the thing I got from my school. And if you like this video, please leave it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and comment, please. I don't know why I want you to comment, but yeah. And I'll see you later. Bye. Peace.